If you're using a microwave to warm your baby's breast milk or formula, you need to stop right now. There are many products available to choose bottle warmers, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best bottle warmers from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Groensey Bottle Warmer. The best part about the Groensey Bottle Warmer is that it has 9 different functions and features: water bath warming, fast warming, thaw, keep warm, sterilize, memory, an auto timer, an anti-scald basket, and night light. We appreciate how easy it is to use and that it warms milk quickly, sterilizes bottle parts when needed, and has a handy night light. In just 4 minutes, the Groensey warmed 3 ounces of refrigerated milk in a silicone bottle to 97.8°F. Thankfully, this warmer comes with an anti-scald basket that allows you to remove hot items when needed. Although we didn't test a milk storage bag, it's good to know this warmer can accommodate one. Another great aspect of this bottle warmer is that it only has 2 parts to assemble. We also like that it doesn't take up much space. However, the pale-colored interface is difficult to read during the daytime. Aside from this, we like the user-friendly design and think new parents will find it easy to use. Number 2. Biba Fast Baby Bottle Warmer. When your baby is hungry and cranky, every minute counts as you heat up their bottle. With the Biba Baby Milk 3-in-1 Bottle Warmer, you can warm bottles quickly thanks to its patented steam heating system that doubles as a sterilizer. According to Biba's website, it can warm bottles in 2 minutes or less. However, we found that it took closer to 3 minutes, 30 seconds to heat 4 ounces of refrigerated milk. We are impressed by this warmer's effectiveness, efficiency, and ease of use. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, and we love that it's silent as it heats up. Cleaning it is easy too, since all you have to do is dump the water out after each use. Number 3. The First Year's Gentle Warmth Digital Baby Bottle Warmer. The First Year's Gentle Warmth Digital Bottle Warmer is our pick for breast milk since it uses a warm water bath, which is the recommended method for heating breast milk. This is because a warm water bath heats milk more evenly and consistently than steam. This bottle warmer can heat baby food and formula and defrost frozen breast milk too. It can also sterilize pacifiers and bottle parts, which is a huge help for busy parents. The highest temperature we recorded during our testing was 102.3°F, which was a bit warmer than we wanted. After a few tries, we were able to fully assemble this bottle warmer. Thankfully, it was easy to clean and use the sterilizing feature too. Although its digital screen is easy to navigate, it's hard to tell if it's working at first. However, we appreciate that it has a built-in light and is large enough to accommodate a variety of bottle sizes. Number 4. Baby Brezza Instant Warmer Advanced. The best part about the Baby Brezza Instant Warmer Advanced is that it provides perfectly warmed water on demand. Unlike other bottle warmers, the Baby Brezza immediately dispenses warm water customized to your desired temperature. Its tank can hold up to 50 ounces of water, which is enough to fill your baby's bottles for an entire day. In addition to its speed, we also like Baby Brezza's sleek, modern design and app compatibility. During testing, we found it especially helpful that the app had a timer and notified us when the water was ready. The Baby Brezza can warm water to 3 temperatures: room, body, and warmer than body. These results were a bit confusing, since 103.7°F is much hotter than the standard room temperature. We like that the Baby Brezza requires no assembly, works quickly, and needs limited cleaning. Number 5. Dr. Brown's Deluxe Baby Bottle Warmer. When you bottle feed your baby, it can be time-consuming to wash and sterilize the various parts every day. With Dr. Brown's Deluxe Bottle Warmer and Sterilizer, you can heat breast milk, formula, and baby food and sterilize pacifiers and bottles, saving you a few extra minutes on those busy mornings. Although some warmers can only accommodate plastic bottles, Dr. Brown's Deluxe Warmer can warm glass bottles too. It fits every size of Dr. Brown's bottles as well as most other brands. To test its effectiveness, we poured 3 ounces of chilled milk into a glass and plastic bottle and timed how long it took to heat each. While it took 4 minutes for the glass bottle to reach 106°F, it took 5 minutes for the plastic bottle to reach 92.3°F. Instead, it flashes for 60 seconds to indicate that it's cooling and then beeps as it shuts off. Rather than flashing, we think a more noticeable auditory cue would be most helpful for busy parents. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.